Hey everybody, welcome back to Universe Jarvis, and it's me. We are going to continue what I started over the weekend, or we rather started, the Amish friendship bread. So we're on day number 5 of this process. Now, I've walked you through the other steps, and the other ones were pretty simple, so hopefully you guys have had your starter in the bag. You've been massaging it, tending to it carefully. Today, we're going to actually add some more ingredients into this bag. So, pretty simple. All you're going to need is flour, sugar, and some milk. Those are the only 3 things we're adding. We're going to be adding a cup each of each one of those ingredients. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And the next couple days is going to be more of what we were doing from days 2 through 4. So let's go ahead and get this added. And hopefully everything's turning out really good for this. Now I had a measuring cup and I put it somewhere. There it is. All right, so those who have been following along, I like unbleached all-purpose flour. I mean, you can get the bleached kind if you want. I just tend to like, when I'm baking and doing the natural baking without using boxes or anything, I think the unbleached is nice. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and add, go ahead and do the flour. So we'll just open that up, and these bags will tend to stand open, so that should be pretty simple right there. I got my measuring cup, which I will rinse out, and I need to dry because it's flour and it'll stick. Hands have already been washed. Just dry that out because some of that flour is still probably going to stick either way, but I want to get as much of it out as possible. And the paper towel I use is lint-free. You can also use those kitchen towels for this. So I have a good old big cup, and this is kind of collapsing. And more or less, that's a cup.